What's going on, you guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another barber tutorial. In this video I ended up doing a drop fade with curls on top, and we went ahead and lined up his beard as well. If you guys are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you guys end up liking this video, hit that thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. But getting started with this haircut, I have my trimmers, and here I'm basically going to be setting in my first guideline. Here I'm switching over to my shavers just to go ahead and bald the bottom of his hair out, just to give it a nice clean look. Here I'm switching over to my cordless magic clips with the lever all the way open, and I'm going to go ahead and create a guideline by going up about an inch. And for me with my fades, guys, like I really like to stretch out the blend, so really don't be afraid to really go up about an inch. Now to get rid of that bottom line, what I did was I closed my lever all the way and started knocking out that bottom line by going up about 1/4 of an inch. Now go ahead and open your lever halfway and then finish blending out that bottom line. And you guys want to keep in mind that since it is halfway, you do not want to go to the top line, just because the top line was no guard all the way open. And if you go all the way up to the line, you're just gonna keep building that line up. Now here I have my number 1 guard all the way open, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new guideline by going up another inch. Now here to get rid of the bottom line, I'll be using the half guard, or the 1/16 guard. It's the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and start with my lever all the way closed by going up like a 1/4 inch, I would say. And then once you do that, you want to go ahead and open the lever all the way and then finish knocking out that bottom line. Now here I have my 1.5 guard all the way closed, and I'm going to be trying to blend in the fade to the top with the guard as much as I can before I go in with the clipper over comb to finish blending it in. Now using the clipper over comb, you want to finish blending in the fade to the top. Here I'm kind of going back to any imperfections that I see in the fade with my number 1 guard. And I'm going to be basically playing with my lever with it all the way open, all the way closed, using the corners. Doing everything I can just to go ahead and get rid of any dark spots that I see. Now I'm going to go ahead and begin to line him up. I always like to start off in the middle of his forehead and then work my way over to one side, finish that side completely. And then once I finish one side, all I basically have to do is just match the other side with the one I already did. Now you guys, to make his haircut stand out just that much more, I'm going to be applying some color enhancement. The color enhancement I'm using is Kiss Express. I do mix it with a little bit of alcohol just to allow the gun to spray it nice and even. This color usually lasts around 3 to 4 days depending on how the client takes care of it. But you guys got to keep in mind that before spraying this, you want to make sure that your client's lineup is nice and crispy to begin with, just because once that paint does wear off, you still want your client to have a nice solid sharp line. To curl his hair, I always like to start off by spraying his hair with some water, just so when I go ahead and apply the product to his hair, it's not super dry and it gives it that kind of white look if I don't get it wet beforehand. But when you're applying the product, you want to make sure you get it all the way down to the roots, not only at the top. By doing that, it gives the curls a better look. But you guys, that was a cut. Once again, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And you guys, we are almost at 50,000 subscribers, and I do want to give something back to you guys. So I will be doing a giveaway pretty soon. Stay tuned for more details on that coming up. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be posting more about that on Instagram. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description down below. But until then, you guys, I'll see you guys next week.